Unlock your inner artist and paint the digital world with the power of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Midjourney, a revolutionary AI art generator that lives right inside Discord. No complex software, just pure creative freedom at your fingertips. First things first, let's get the Midjourney bot integrated into our Discord server. You'll need to visit the Midjourney website and find the Join the Beta or Add to Discord option. Follow the prompts to authorize the bot on your chosen server. It's a straightforward process that only takes a minute. Once added, navigate to a channel where you want to generate some art. The magic happens with a simple command type. Imagine, followed by a space. This is where your imagination takes flight. After typing Imagine, a prompt field will appear. This is your canvas. Describe the art you want to create using clear and descriptive language. Think about the style, the subject matter, the colors, the mood. A circumflex euros. The more detail you provide, the more impressive the result will be. Hit enter and watch the Midjourney bot work its magic. It will present you with 4 unique variations of your prompt. Don't worry if they're not perfect right away. This is just the beginning. Below each image, you'll see buttons labeled U and V. The U buttons stand for upscale. Clicking one will enlarge and refine the chosen image. The V buttons stand for variations. Clicking a V button will generate 4 new variations based on that specific image, allowing you to explore stylistic nuances. Once you've upscaled an image you love, you can save it directly to your computer and start sharing your incredible AI-generated masterpieces with the world. So there you have it, A circumflex euros, your gateway to endless AI art creation with Midjourney on Discord. Now go forth, experiment, and unleash your creativity like never before.